Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and let's begin with the third verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, observing the armies. In previous verse we have seen that Sanjaya answered the questions of Dhritarashtra, and after observing entire army of Pandavas, entire arrangement of Pandavas from the side of Pandavas, Duryodhana went to Acharya Guru Drona and spoken the following words. पश्येता पांडुपुत्राण आचार्य महर्षि चमूमं वेड्ढा द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्यणे धीमता द्रुपदपुत्रेण दृष्टद्युम्न. Here, O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupad, your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupad, Drishtadyumna. Drishtadyumna was son of Drupad and big brother or elder brother of Draupadi. And Drishtadyumna has arranged the entire army of Pandavas, and Drishtadyumna arranged the Trishul Chakra, or Trishul Yojana for Pandavas. The Duryodhanas, a great diplomat, wanted to point out the defect of Dronacharya. Here pointed out the defect of Dronacharya. Here Duryodhana here stated, it was your son or it was your Shishya or disciple who have arranged this entire things, who have arranged this Trishul Sena, Trishul Chakra for all of us. The great Brahma commander-in-chief Dronacharya had some political quarrel with King Drupad, the father of Draupadi, and who was Arjuna's wife. And as a result of quarrel, Drupad performed the great sacrifice by which he received the benedictions of having a son who would be able to kill Dronacharya. And Dronacharya knew this perfectly well, and as a liberal Brahmana, he did not hesitate to impart all his military secret when the son of Drupad, Drishtadyumna was a disciple of Dronacharya, and Dronacharya knew very well by Drishtadyumna he will be killed in the battle of Mahabharata. Even then, despite of this all things, Dronacharya educated Drishtadyumna and gave all the military secret to Drishtadyumna, and Drishtadyumna was entrusted him for the military education. And now on the battle of Kurukshetra, Drishtadyumna took a side of Pandavas, and it was he who arranged for their military planics. And after having learned the art of Dronacharya, Duryodhana pointed out this mistake to Dronacharya, that he might be alert and uncompromising in the fighting. By this he wanted to point out also that he should not be similarly lenient in the battle against the Pandavas, and who were also Dronacharya's affectionate student, and Arjuna especially was his most affectionate and brilliant student. And Duryodhana also warned that such a leniency in the fight would lead to the defeat. We should not have to keep any kind of leniency with anyone. Lenient behavior is not required when we are fighting for the dharma. And in the battlefield, we have to think that person is our enemy. Whenever we are fighting for dharma, not against the dharma, we have to think about the particular person is moving on the religious path, righteous path or not. We have to think about this all things. And here, this is the humble humility, and this is a humble and kind behavior of Dronacharya. We can learn many things from Guru Drona and Dronacharya. First things we can learn from Guru Drona. However, we knew that. However, I knew that that particular person will harm to me. I don't have to give up my duties, my prescribed duty. I have to perform. If I will have to love someone, then I will surely love that particular person. However, that particular person put me in the jail and castigate me, but even then I will have to love that particular person, because it's my duty, it's my responsibility, it's my accountability. However, one of my family person who is hating me, who is having anger on me, and who will harm to me, even then I will perform my responsibility, my duty. However, if someone's wife and someone's husband both are harming to each other, then both particular person has a responsibility to take care of each other, and I will surely take care of all those people who will surely harm to me. I will never think the particular person put me in a castigated and put me in imprisonment. I will never think. I will think that it's my duty to take care of each and every people who are associated with me, each and every person who are actually joined with me. I will have to take care. It's my responsibility. So this is the best thing we have to learn from Guru Drona. We don't have to renunciate our duties. We don't have to keep any kind of partiality. However, that particular person will kill me, I will not have to keep any kind of partiality. I will have to make that particular person big. I will surely give that particular person best among the all. I will not have to keep any kind of partiality with that particular person. So this is the best things which we can learn from Guru Dronacharya. So I hope you all can understand. For having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.